I want more knowledge. I want to know how to actually treat Forex like a real business. I blow my account due to overconfidence. In the journey of fixing that, I realized I have to figure out how business work in real time, not only Forex. I have to implement the knowledge I have on that and the knowledge I gain from the Forex together. I'm also able to learn more about risk management. Why am I blowing my account? I know we've seen and heard about many stuff on risk management online, but as I always say, experience is the best teacher. If you have not experienced it, you are not going to know how to navigate yourself when your ship is going the wrong way. Also, I'm learning a bitter truth about Forex. I believe everyone have had and millions times I've heard about it, but let me let you know, the more you find knowledge, the more you experience it, the more it makes more sense to you and the more you understand the concept. One of the bitter truth is Forex is not meant for the poor people. The system is not designed to make money for the poor people. So if you are poor, learning Forex is going to be something that you have to consider very well before diving into it. But if you are poor, you can still learn Forex. The reason why you can learn Forex is maybe one day when you get rich, and probably if you find a rich friend of yours or a relative of you that is rich that might be interested in Forex, and they are just going to invest that money in you. You will be the one managing the account. So like that, you can still trade and become a consistent profitable trader. Also, if you are poor, just know that if you want to load your account or the money you are using to learn in 3 to 6 months, never load your account above $300. If you load your account above $300 and you end up losing the money, it has the way it affects psychology, and if your psychology is not as strong, you are going to quit the journey of trading Forex. I know, yes, I know, you see some people flipping $100 to $500, $100 to $300. Those people that they are making more than their capital. And the bitter truth is that with a $100 account, you cannot make you can't double your account size in few days or few weeks. Nothing is impossible. It is possible for you to double your account, but if you are doing that, you are going to be opening your account to a big risk, which I think it doesn't make sense. And just know, this is online. You all know best not to believe everything you see. For some people, flipping their account, their $100 to $500 account, let me let you know, it might be their fifth trial that they try flipping their account, and their account give them times 100, times 200, and they are going to post their account. What about the first, second, third time that they fail and you did not know about? And trust me, those people flipping their account are rich. They know if they lose this money, they still have more money to put in their live account, not you that you are putting your life savings inside the account. So in my coming video, I'm going to be elaborating and telling you guys what I've learned body by body. So if you are new here and you don't want to miss out, don't forget to blow that subscribe button to see my video on your For You page again.